Good morning, boys and girls. Yesterday we looked at our cylinder and we noticed that our cylinder it is a 3D shape, but it has some 2D flat shapes. The cylinder, for example, has circles on its ends. That's the shape of its faces. And if you were to cut it and open it up, you would have a rectangle. Excuse me. We also have looked at cubes in the past. Now I can kind of draw a cube here. And a cube has faces that are shaped like squares, right? A cone is a 3D shape and it has a circle on the bottom. So 3D shapes or solid shapes sometimes have, or actually I think all of them have, some flat 2D shapes that make them. The faces of those 3D solid shapes often have, or always have, 2D shapes. So today what you're doing is you're going to be looking at 3D shapes on the side here, these top three. So here I have a cylinder, I have a cube, and I have a cone. And it says, color the shapes that match the solid shape. So here I have that cylinder. Does the cylinder have a circle? It does, so I would color the circle. Does it have a triangle? No. Does it have a square? No. So you would color the circle. Here is a cube. Which 2D shape does this solid shape, 3D shape have? Color what it has. And here is a cone. Find the 2D shape that matches the face of the cone. On the bottom, you're going to be sorting solid shapes and flat shapes. If it's a solid shape, a 3D shape, you're going to color it red. So, I want to color the cube red, the cone red, the cylinder red, and this cone red. I color my flat shapes, my 2D shapes, blue. So the circle, the rectangle, the triangle, the square, the rectangle, and the circle will all be colored blue. On the back of that, we're working on 14 today. So you'll practice writing 14, you'll find 14, 10 and what number make 14, and then you'll fill in your 10 frame to show 14. And then you have a page like this where you're counting the bears and writing how many. If you look at this, you've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those are not organized as a group of 10, so you have to count each bear unless you can come up with a strategy. Maybe you could count by threes. I don't know if you've ever practiced that, but if you know how to do that, that might be one way. Or if you could count by twos, if you've ever done that. But you will have to count each bear to find out how many. Also in your packet, you do have a teen number Go Fish template. This page has teen numbers, and if you want to make a few copies of this, you can, and then cut them out into a little deck of cards and play Go Fish with your family. It's really up to you. This is a choice game, so if you want to do it, you will need to make some copies of this page. I will have the papers in the lesson, so if you want to just print a few of them, you can. I'd say probably need to make 3 copies. Well, have 2 more copies. So the one you have and 2 more, and then you can cut those all out into little cards and make a Go Fish game that you can play with family or friends. Anyway, I hope you have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.